Hey my friends, welcome back to my kitchen. It's Deb from Bowl Me Over. I have a super easy recipe for you today. It involves the air fryer, so I know you're gonna love it. And speaking of that, I got started a little bit ahead of time. And I turned my air fryer, it's on 350. Just wanna preheat it while I'm putting this together. Y'all like pizza, right? How about a pizza quesadilla? This is so easy and so good. You're not gonna believe how simple it is. So let me just show you really quick. I have four tortillas, and I'm just gonna cut right down to the middle. Now, if your tortilla is dry, you know, heaven forbid it's dry, you might wanna put it in the microwave just to soften it up a little bit first. But, you know, these are nice and fresh, so that's not an issue here. So what I'm doing is I'm just spreading pizza sauce, or you could use marinara sauce, your favorite pasta sauce, on my tortilla. And here's my little cut mark right here. We're gonna spread it with some cheese. We're gonna add some pepperonis. We love pepperonis, be a little pepperoni quesadillas. And this is a recipe that's on the blog. So if you haven't tried it, you're a fan of, wonderful, it's ready. If you're a fan of pizza and you like your air fryer, you definitely want to give it a try. So now all we're going to do is fold this up in quarters. So there's 1/4 and a 2/4, and then fold it over again. Isn't that perfect? I'm going to set that aside, and I'm just going to do the same thing to my other tortillas. Again, we have that mark. Okay, let me give you a little bit closer look. So again, just slicing it right to the middle, using our pasta sauce, and just spreading it out. We're going to add a good amount of cheese and top it with pepperoni. You can put as few or as many as you want, and then fold it. So watch this. We're just going to fold it into quarters. Fold it over again, and one more time. Just going to lay it flat right here. And this is the last one. There's only one more step, and that is we want to make sure the outside is nice and crispy. So I'm going to spray it with some nonstick cooking spray, both sides. And you want to, otherwise it just doesn't get crispy, and you know we're all about the crispy quesadilla. Okay, perfect. And these bake for 5 minutes, and it's almost set for that. So I'm just gonna place these seam side down. Hear that sizzle? These are super yummy. You're gonna laugh at how easy they are too. Check it out. 5 minutes. Okay, we'll see you back in a couple. My timer just went off. Come here guys, and check this out. Check that out. Oh, yum. Let's give these a try, okay? Okay, guys. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Which one should I pick? Let's give these a try. Oh my gosh, you're gonna love this. They are saucy and melty, cheesy, and just the right amount of heat here. It's not, I don't think it's gonna burn the roof of my mouth. Hang on. So good. Can you believe this took maybe 3 minutes to assemble? 5 minutes in the air fryer? And I tell you what, if you don't have an air fryer, you could do that on the stovetop too, in your fry pan. Do the same thing, spray it, but this is one of my favorite air fryer recipes. It was so good. Okay. You guys don't need to see me eat this. Make sure you check out the recipe, putting all the information below. Head over to TikTok, like and subscribe. Appreciate the follows, all the good stuff. We'll see you next time, okay?